Hi students, now we are going to deal with the topic that is the revolutionaries, which is a part of the making of nationalism in Europe. Previously we discussed about the conservatism. Conservatism is nothing but what are the changes it was made in the ruling, okay, by the five powers, okay, who are defeated to the Napoleon, right? But when the five powers they made some conservatism in their ruling, at the same time some of the revolutionaries also started in the Europe. In this we are discussing about the revolutionary movement. During this year 1815, the fear of repression drove many liberal nationalists underground. Means fear of repression, means if they raise their voice they are going to be punished, they are going to be hanged. This fear made them to go to underground. Okay, secret societies means they formed as a groups. Those are having the same feelings, those are having the, okay, those who are dissatisfied with the government, they formed as a group. But how they formed as a group? Secretly, and sprang up in many European states to train revolutionaries and spread their ideas. Okay, they sprang up in many European states. They spread in the entire European states and they started to train the revolutionaries and spread their ideas. Okay, they started to dictate to the people what is going on in the country. To be revolutionary at this time means opposing the monarchical form that has been established after the Vienna Congress and to fight for liberty and freedom. Okay, means at the time if they want to do the revolution means it's mean that opposing the monarchical forms, opposing to the king, means which is going to be give the death sentence. Okay, for but what purpose they are going to be opposing? To fight for liberty and freedom. Most of these revolutionaries also saw the creation of nation states as a necessary part of the struggle for freedom. For what purpose they made this struggle? Means to create a new nation states, means which are ruled by the people only. Okay, means they want to form the new states, okay, on the basis of democracy, okay, which is not in the under the control of king. That is the main aim of these revolutionaries. Okay, so when the conservatism is going to be happen in 1815, at the same time the revolution also started and they were gone underground and they started to spread their ideas in the public, okay, secretly. Okay, at that time one young person from Italy, he started the Italian revolutionary, Mr. Giuseppe Mazzini. He was born in Genoa in 1807, sorry, Genoa in 1807. He became a member of secret society of the Carbonari. Okay, he is the member of one secret society that is called as a Carbonari. Okay, when he was at 24, he was sent into the exile in 1831 for attempting a revolution in Liguria. Okay, means when he was at 24 years of age, they sent him to the jail. While they sent him to the jail means in 1831 for attempting a revolution in Liguria. He started one revolution against the government. For that purpose, they sent them into the jail in 1831 when he was at 24 years of age. He subsequently founded two more underground societies, first Young Italy in Marseille and then Young Europe in Berne, whose members were like minded young men from Poland, France, Italy and German states. Okay, at the time he founded the two underground societies, like whatever is going to maintain like that only two underground societies is going to be observed, he founded. Okay, what is the two underground societies? One is the Young Italy and one is the Young Europe. Okay, Young Italy in Marseilles and Young Europe in Brenny. Okay, in this Young Italy and Young Europe, who is the members? Means the young peoples from Poland, France, Italy and German. They are the members in these societies. Okay, underground societies. Like Muslim believed that God had intended nations to be the natural units of mankind. Means he is saying that every nation is having, otherwise the nations are created by God to rule them, to rule by themselves freely. Okay, means the nation should not be control of anyone. Okay, they can rule by themselves for that purpose only God had created. Means they are having the freedom. That is the main intention of the Mazni. Means everyone is having the freedom in the universe. Okay, so Italy could not be continued to the patchwork of the small states and kingdoms. It has to be forged into a single united republic within the wider alliance of nations. So what he thought, the Italy should not be in the patchwork. Patchwork means is nothing but అతుకులుగా ఉండకూడదు. Means it, like a small states and kingdom, it should be formed as a single big country. Okay, right, within the wider alliance of nations. This unification alone could be the basis of Italian liberty. This unification, whatever he want to make, this made him to run towards the, okay,